What's up, everybody? Good morning to you. It's your girl Glenda, and we are back for another video. If you would like to be part of the G Squad, all you have to do is click that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the notification bell so that you're updated every time we upload a new video. Now, on today's video, it's morning time, so we are cooking breakfast. And in this pan, you see I have about 6 pieces. I have 6 pieces, slices of bacon. 6 pieces. I have 6 pieces, slices of bacon that I'm going to cook and get them nice and crispy. Take them out of here and set them to the side. This dish is going to be the bomb. It is my fried potatoes and onions with bacon crumbles. Let's get to this video. So our bacon is done. We're going to take it out and just put it on a paper towel. Lined. This is a paper plate under here. Alright, we're going to set that to the side. And I'm going to put this on a medium heat. We're going to use the drippings from our bacon to cook our potatoes in. Potatoes have been peeled, washed, cut, the whole 9 yards. So right on in. And we're going to season them up with the quad. Season to taste. Okay, let me mix this up real quick. Get your seasonings in there. Get them incorporated. A bit of olive oil to this, just to make sure, excuse me, I had to sneeze, just to make sure you have enough oil in case the bacon fat was not enough. Just about a tablespoon or so. Now I'm going to add in our onions. I have about 1/4 of an onion that I just cut up. Like so. And you just want to mix it in, break up the onions a little bit, whatever you're frying. I'm coming back on the flip of these potatoes. They are on a low heat. And I just want to show you. So you get a little bit of color. You want definitely more color than that. But they're on a low heat, so. And I have scraped up all the seasonings that were at the bottom of this pan, just to make sure they get on the potatoes. Alright, we're going to cover these up and let these bad boys cook until they are nice and tender. And then we will show you what we're going to do next to our fried potatoes. So we've got some pretty good color on these. They're definitely done. I was trying to show you right there. I'm barely pressing the spatula. Okay, so now we're going to put the finishing touch on our fried potatoes and onions. I'm going to turn this fire off because I have it on the low. See what that looks like. Alright, finishing touch is our bacon that we fried earlier in the pan. I have crumbled it up, as you can see right here. And all we're going to do is take it and just top it off like so. If you want to put some cheese on here, or I don't even know what else that you can add to this to make this exactly what you want, then you do that. This right here is the end result to our bacon fried potatoes and onions. We will see you on the next video. Talk to y'all later.